You searched for how to buy shares of Home Invest Belgium SA, and this video walks through that process. Home Invest Belgium SA is a Belgian real estate company listed on Euronext under the ticker HOMI.BR, and this guide is purely educational, not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an illustrative example. After registering, you will normally verify your identity with an official ID, and you must add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HOMI.BR to find the listing. Make sure the search result shows Home Invest Belgium SA on the Euronext market before proceeding. Open the asset page to review the basic company profile and the recent price chart. Confirm the issuer name, exchange, and ticker match so you have the correct stock. Click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the transaction. The platform will show any required fields before submission. If the market is closed, the order may be queued to execute at the next open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order fills, your new position will appear in the portfolio view. For convenience, the example broker link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.